Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. I don't like that right there, that spot. What do you guys think? Overall, I think this went well. The first phase or layer anyway. Okay. Hey, looks a whole lot better. But up here, you can tell where I broomed. Don't like that. But again, looks so much better. One more coat will do though. Ran out, so I had to go get reinforcement. I get the Sakrete top and bond from Lowe's, and I get them in the smaller containers. Doesn't cost a whole lot. Now this, I plan on sealing the concrete. Got this from Home Depot. I had to go to a different Home Depot to get this. After blowing away or sweeping any dirt or debris, spray some water. I know I spoke against spreading the Sakrete top and bond this way, but it's not like I have a whole lot of room to work, so I have no choice. Okay, walkway is done. Top and bond is drying. I think this is going to turn out great. I really do. Issue is Mother Nature is about to show her you know what. This looks gloomy. It looks like it's going to be epic, and my work will suffer as a result. All this hard work will be for nothing. I have to do something to protect it. Anyway, you guys know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.